blew up the can. Like, these little cans everywhere. Damn, yo, system meltdown. Like, fucking crazy. That's what I'm saying with the little box outside the shed. Hey, come outside. Get wiped the fuck out. That's fucking crazy. Bullseye. Oh, they fucking wiped the base out. Imagine walking outside the shed here. Hey man, what's going on? Here's the other shed. Right here. It's like, hey bro, come outside with the little box you got there. System meltdown. It's like, maximum extreme nitro power turbocharged overdrive. Jeez, dude. Like, wait till he gets in front of the shed. Blown the fuck off. Man. Boy, imagine walking outside the shed here. Hey man, what's going on? Just crazy drone footage, like. Imagine walking outside the shed here. Hey man, what's going on? Right in the fucking window. This is fucking great. Dude, this is crazy, man. Hey, man, what's going on? He's like, hey, man, what's going on? And then you walk outside to a missile. He's got the little garbage can. Hey, what's going on? Knock, knock. And then you walk outside the door. And he got fucking wiped out. It was... Somebody knocks on the door and then the seismic bubble, like the energy was so crazy. The fucking... It's the best explosion game ever. Just a missile directly into the door. It's the fucking sound is so good too. Shit here. Hey man, what's going on? Somebody launches it from somewhere up high. Dude, it's just listening to myself watching it.
Wipe the fuck out. It's like, dude. Wipe the fuck out. It's like, dude.
This is fucking hilarious. Damn.
Wipe the fuck out. It's like, dude.
Watching myself play as that. The reactions.
Wipe the fuck out. It's like,
The reactions are genuine. The reactions are genuine because these are the best games. Like where I don't know what I'm gonna say, the shit that pops out when I'm either angry
there
or
it is.
funny.
Come outside the shed.
Hey, knock, knock.
Right in the fucking window.
Right in the fucking window. That's what I'm saying with the little box outside the shed. Hey, come outside and wipe the fuck out. Wipe the fuck out. Imagine he knocked on the door. Little box outside. And it was like,
hey, come outside.
flatten the fucking block.